Hi, welcome back to the fourth video. And in this video, we are going to make a real world chat model with a real time conversation. So let's start. So I have already created this file, and this is some of the basics which I have already set up. So actually, yeah, I just copied the previous file here. And what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to remove this Google tool and we are going to add some code so that we can continuously have a real-time chat with the chat model. I'm going to add basically a loop. What basically that loop is going to do is that in that loop, you will send a message. I will push that message to the uh, chat model and chat model will respond. Then you will again send a message, then chat model will again respond. So it will be kind of loop until unless you will type a stop or something else to stop that loop. So that's how it's going to work. So let's start with the coding part. Uh, so I'm going to create here. This is my model, and I defined my model here. I'm going to create a messages loop to keep track of the my messages. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a system message here to tell my AI agent that to provide some information to my AI model. So I'm going to pass some content, and that is going to be, I'm going to say you are AI assistant. You are friendly, actually, I will say you are friendly AI assistant because we are doing some chat with this one. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a loop, and this loop I'm gonna say while true. This loop is always true unless the input user will enter is going to be, I'm going to use input here to take the input from the user. And I'm going to say, uh, my name is Ahmad, so I will put Ahmad here. And I will say Ahmad. Actually, I will say user. It looks more professional. And then I'm going to have if condition, if query user input, if user input is equal to if user equal, just to make sure I will always get the same text even if the user typing something else. If user type stop, I am gonna stop this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna break the loop. Okay, and if there is something else, I'm gonna do one thing. I am gonna append input into the messages array which I previously created. So I'm gonna say human message content is equal to query. Okay, we are done with this. And then I'm gonna call my model here. So the next step is actually passing these messages to the my model. And then I am gonna say AI response, AI message is gonna be like message content. We saw in previous example that the actual response of the model is gonna be in this field. So that's why we are saying, okay, this is my AI message, and I am gonna also append this message into the my history where I'm keeping track. And this is not human message, this is AI message. And I would say, okay, so let's remove this. And I am gonna actually let's I'm gonna do AI message is okay. And once we are done with all the chat, I'm gonna print the whole chat history. And I'm gonna say chat history. Okay, I'm gonna print all the messages which I have collected, which I have saved during the, no, sorry, something, I copied the wrong thing, and I'm gonna paste it here. And now I'm gonna actually run this. Let's see if there is any error. No error. So I'm gonna run this. I'm gonna say, let's run the, okay. I'm gonna say, hi, I am Ahmad. Okay, hello Ahmad, hi, can you know how, can you tell me how to order pizza? To order pizza. I love pizza. So let's wait for a minute. Okay, so here's a response. It told me how can I order pizza, ordering online. It showed me a couple of ways. It's a way you can online using a mobile app by calling the thanks. I'm gonna say thanks, and let's say how will it respond? It's taking too much time. I'm not sure why it's that much slow. What? Ah, yeah, because I sent a very big message, so that's why it's taking that much time. So remember, I'm passing here, I'm passing all the previous chat to the model. So, and this response is very big. So I sent all of this. So that's why the chat model is taking that much time to process it. So let's wait. I will wait for a minute to see how will it go. See, so I'd like to know, I'm here to help. It looks like you don't send add a message. So yeah. So what I'm gonna say stop now. And oh shit. Actually, I didn't printed this. I should have printed like this. So let's do it again. This time we will do a very brief chat. I'm gonna ask, what's your name? Okay, so here is my all the chat history. You can see I'm pushing these messages. This is my all the chat history. So yeah, this is our first real-time actual chat conversation AI assistant. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can save these messages to the cloud and how you can retrieve messages for a later. And we're going to go through an example where I will exactly like ChatGPT. I will save messages to the cloud, and once you will come back after some time, you can actually continue that conversation. So that's it for this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.